Today I will solve the numericals on the basis of the parallelogram law of vector addition. Some question is here: the two vector A and B have a magnitude 3m and 4m, and angle between the two vector A and B is 45 degree, and find the magnitude of resultant vector and the angle between the vector A and resultant vectors. Then past time I have already discussed about the parallelogram law of vector addition. This question is also based on the parallelogram law of the vector addition. The two vector, this one and this is the B vectors and this is the A vectors, and we draw the as the parallel vector is this one. This is the parallel vector of B and this is the parallel vector of A, having the magnitude of the B is equal to, already is given in is a 4m and is a 3m. Then diagonal vector is this one, and this is the resultant vector. Okay, and the angle between the A vector and B vector is theta is equal to 45 degree, and maybe this is the alpha is the angle between the A and R vector, diagonal vector. Okay, the resultant vector I know in the parallelogram law vector addition, R square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB plus 2AB cos theta. Okay, so A is equal to 3k square plus 4k square plus 2 into 3 into 4 into cos theta. Okay, 9 plus 16 plus 2 गुना 3 into 4 into cos 45 degree under root 25 to be into 45, maybe 1 under root 2. Then 49 by under root itna. Then R square is equal to 49 by under root R is equal to itna. R is equal to 7 by under root 2. Okay, and the angle, angle tan alpha is equal to B sin theta plus A plus B cos theta. B sin theta, it means four into cos 45 degree bata A 3 plus 3 into cos 3 plus B cos 4 sin theta, 4 sin theta bata 3 plus B cos theta. Okay, 4 गुना sin 45 degree बटा 3 plus 4 cos 45 degree is equal to 4 under root 2 बटा 3 बराबर 4 under root 2. Four by 7 is equal to 10. Then alpha is equal to tan inverse 4 by 7. Second question is also here. A two vector having the magnitude 6 m and 8 m, find the resultant vector and the angle between the resultant vector A is 45 degree, and find the angle between the vector A and B. Angle A and two vector having same magnitude. This one vector A, B vector, A vector, and this is the parallel vector of B, and this is the parallel vector of A. Okay, this is the diagonal of this one, and this is the this is the alpha, this is the theta, and this one is a B sin theta, and this one is a B cos theta. M N O P Q. Okay, angle between the two vector A and B is the theta. Angle between the A vector and the resultant vector R, is alpha, and then the PQ is equal to MO, and then this component, and ON is equal to B sin theta, and MN is equal to B cos theta according to the parallelogram law of vector division. And past time I have already the proof of them. Then what is the question? Question: find the resultant vector. Resultant vector means R diagonal is equal to A vector plus B square का vector plus 2AB cos theta. Okay, already given the magnitude 6m, 6 का square plus 8 का square plus 2 into 6 into 8 into cos theta. Okay, two vector having the magnitude itna, and angle already is given the 45 degree. 36 plus 64 plus 8 8 दूनी 16 8 96 into cos 45 degree. Okay, 100 plus 1 plus 96 into cos 45 degree plus 96 under root 2. 196 by under root 2. This one, and tan alpha is equal to an angle between the A vector and angle between the resultant vector. Tan alpha is equal to B sin theta but A plus B cos theta. Put the value and get the result. According this question is on the base of the parallelogram of the vector already given the value of the vector A, B, and already given the value of the angle between the A and B vector, and then you should calculate the value of the tan alpha. Put the value and get with the result. Tan alpha is equal to B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. Already theta is given the 45 degree, and then tan alpha is equal to put the value and get the result. Two vectors A and B, and the third question is the two vector A and B and the resultant vector R vector. Okay, two vectors. We draw the graph. We draw the figure. The two vectors, this one and this one. This is the B vector and this is the A vector. Okay, and some parallel vector of B vector. This is the parallel vector of B vector and this is the parallel vector of A vector. Okay, and the sum is, and this is the, and this vector is, and this is the diagonal vector R. This is the theta A and B, and this is alpha vector R, diagonal vector R, between the diagonal vector R and the vector of A. What is the two vector A and B? The resultant vector R, the vector A and resultant vector having the magnitude and 3m and 8m. Find the value of magnitude of B and angle between the vector. Already in this question, A vector having given the magnitude is equal to 3m and resultant vector is given the magnitude of 4m. Find the value of B vector. Okay, and angle A and B, the angle theta is equal to 30 degree. Angle between A and B is equal to 30 degree. Then put the value. Resultant vector is equal to, A vector plus B, A square vector plus B square vector plus 2AB plus cos theta. Okay, then R square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Okay, so B square is equal to R square plus R square minus A square plus 2AB cos theta, and R square is equal to 4 square minus 3 square minus plus 2A yeah 2AB cos theta. It means कि 3B cos theta, cos 45 cos 30 degree (16 minus 9 plus 2 into 3B into under root 3 by 2. Okay, 7 plus 3 under root 3 into b is equal to b square. Okay, so b square minus 3 under root 3b is equal to 7. Then we take b is equal to common, then b minus this is the quadratic equation, b square minus 3ab minus 7, b square minus 3 under root 3b minus 7. This is the quadratic equation. Maybe the magnitude of the and b, this is the quadratic equation, b square minus under root 3 under root 3 b minus 7, and you should calculate the value of the b vector according to the quadratic equation, b square minus 4ac by 2a, b plus minus under root b square minus 4a by 4a, and then angle between the tan alpha is equal to angle tan alpha. This is tan alpha is equal to b sin theta by a plus b cos theta. After solve the problem by the quadratic equation, the magnitude of the b vector, and then after this you should put the value of the b vector into this equation, tan alpha is equal to b sin theta beta a plus b cos theta. Then you will get the result of the tan alpha. This is the direction of the r vectors. Put the value and get that. This is the quadratic equation. You should solve the according to the quadratic equation. You know about it already. You know about the quadratic equation. This is the equation is the b square minus 3 under root 3b minus 7. Fourth question is the two vector a and b having the magnitude 6m and 8m. Find the angle between the resultant vector and Find the angle between the resultant vector and a vector, and angle between the r and b vector. The two vector the same value. The two vector having the magnitude 6m and 8m. Same question is this one. This is the 6m. This is the b vector 8. This is the 6m. Okay. Then you should draw the parallel vector of b vector, and this is the parallel vector of a vector. This is the right angle triangle, and maybe the P Q R S T, and this is the diagonal vector, and the angle between the diagonal vector is theta, and this angle is the alpha. Okay, and this is the same angle of this one, थीटा. ओके, देखिए ऑलरेडी the two vectors a vectors and b vector having the magnitude 8 m and 6 m. Angle between the two vector is a and b is the theta, and the angle between the a vector and the resultant vector is the alpha. Then you should be to draw the sum the triangle, right angle triangle, and the magnitude of the this one b1 is equal to same straight line, and this is the b sin theta, and this is the b cos theta. Okay, then you know about the find the value of find the angle between the resultant vector a, find the